What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. As you guys could tell by the thumbnail, I'm surprising my wife with this beautiful 2018 Mercedes GLE 350 that I rebuilt. If you guys haven't seen part 1 through 5, I'll put a link in the description so you guys can check it out and be up to date. And I'll say big thank you to those who followed this whole entire rebuild for all your positive feedback, your comments. Man, you guys are just a bunch of rock stars. Thank you very much. So in this video, I'm gonna surprise my wife with this beautiful car. She's the OG subscriber. She's been there since day one, always motivating me. So I decided to do something nice and surprise her with this beautiful car. Plus, we just had a addition to the family, baby boy, so we need a bigger car for the stroller and all that fun stuff. So this was a perfect car. We're gonna go surprise her. She has no idea that I got her. I hope she doesn't. So we'll see her reaction, and then after that I'm gonna take her out on a date to our favorite restaurant in Newport Beach, and I'll take you guys with me. So should be a fun day. So let's go and surprise her. Don't forget to like this video as well. Here's my plan. I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna park the car in the neighborhood so she can't see it, and while she's getting dressed, I'm gonna go run, grab the car, park the car in front of the house and surprise her. And I'll put the key in like a little box. I'll find like a box Nordstrom. I have like from my old necklace. I'll put the key in there. She's gonna be thinking maybe it's like a necklace from Nordstrom, and there's gonna be the key. And when she comes out outside, the car's gonna be parked right in front of the house, and we'll get her reaction. So that's the plan, and we'll see how it works. So let's go do that. So we're pulling up to the house right now, and I'm gonna stash the car in the neighborhood for like maybe 30 minutes. She's getting ready, and then once she's all ready, I'll run and get the car, park it right in front of the house, and surprise! So should be interesting, let me tell you. But I'm nervous, anxious and nervous, like I'm going on a first date or something, you know. Well, hey, that's a good feeling. Let's not scratch the rims. That would be something. So yeah, we'll park the car here, park. So I'll let you guys know how things go in a little bit. While wife is getting ready, we're gonna go get the car, and I don't know where I should park the car. What do you guys think? Where should I park it? Right on the driveway or up there? I think up there so she could come out and look at it. Yeah, I'll park it right here. So let's go get it. My parents just got here, so they're gonna watch the kids while we go, relax, and have some fun. Here is the car. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab the key and just drop it in here and then tie this down. And she's gonna think it's like some piece of jewelry, but it's not. It's better than jewelry. It's a whole car, so we'll just do something like this. Bada bing, bada boom. And then put this in the middle of this paper, so it looks like official, you know, like a solid official key. Boom. So something like this. We put it in the box. Let's put this in the box. So we got a Nordstrom bag. And we'll put a Nordstrom cap, and that's it. Just like this. I wish I had like a bow or something, but I tried my best, but I didn't come prepared 100%. So let's pull the car and we wait. It's the waiting game after this. Oh man, I want to see her reaction. Yesterday I was detailing the car on Saturday, so she wasn't happy either. She's like, really, you gotta work on the Saturday? And like, yeah, I'm sorry, I gotta get the car ready for our customer, aka you're the customer. So once she sees the video, she'll understand, but it is what it is. We work hard for our families, you know, so they could have nice things. And that's it. We're ready to go. So the car's gonna stand right here and she'll come out and be speechless. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Mama Bear, you ready to go? We're outside, so we got more light. Your favorite.
David Yurman. Really?
I think I did okay.
My hands are shaking.
Why are you shaking?
Coffee.
Too much
I'm
coffee?
hungry. Are you kidding me? Serious? For me? What did you get me?
I don't know. Go look.
Are you serious? For me?
Go look.
I'm gonna cry right now. Are you kidding me?
Nope. That's from me, Milinchikan. Aronchik.
Thank you.
Go look.
Oh my gosh. The OG subscriber. They're talking about me.
Yep.
Wait. Sorry, didn't see. Oh, are you kidding me? I'm speechless.
What do you think?
Are you kidding me? Like, this is what I've been asking for. Wow.
Take a walk around.
Wow. You did it all for me? Gorgeous. Oh, I love you so much. Thank you. I'm so happy.
Which present?
And red seatbelts, you were asking?
You like the front end?
Of course. This is like, I'm speechless. Is this what you were cleaning yesterday?
Yes, slaving
And today?
And today. All for you. Oh, so you deserved it. You like?
I'm so happy.
You like the GLE, remember?
I'm so happy.
Well, let's go and celebrate. Time to go to the beach and celebrate and have some fun. Almost first drive, and
I'm in love.
You're in love?
You can't get me off of this car now.
That's it, huh?
Literally.
Did I do good?
I'm like beyond shocked and so happy. Thank you.
How'd you like my little box that you gave me the present? She actually gave me my necklace in this. The one that
deceiving.
the one that I'm wearing. I did okay?
Beyond okay. Oh my gosh, literally.
Drives amazing, huh?
Does it suit me?
Oh yeah. Such a hot mama. There you guys go. You guys get to meet the new owner, the OG. She's been there since day one and still keep rocking and rolling. So, and we want to say a big thank you to you guys for all your support and just for being awesome, you know. My channel is growing day by day, so
we appreciate you guys.
Who knows what we're gonna do next. My goal is to get my channel up and running so well, so when I buy cars, I could just give them away. So that's my long-term goal. Like, we'll pick a car together, all of you guys, we'll pick something, I'll rebuild it, and I'll give it away. So that's my long-term goal, and obviously it's gonna take me some time to get there. Obviously after like 1 million subscribers, I could start looking into that and start playing those kind of games with you guys, you know. We'll buy something together, I'll rebuild it, and I'll pick a random lucky winner, one of my subscribers, you know. So spread the word. Let's keep this channel growing, and you guys are awesome. You're just like amazing. If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be where I'm at right now, and you guys are just a bunch of rock star. We're 170,000 almost, and let's keep going, and you guys give us motivation to make more videos. Wifey is not too happy sometimes, but she understands, you know, I do this for.
I've accepted it, come on.
Yeah, so comment below what do you guys think about this build, and we're gonna head to the beach right now, enjoy our lunch/dinner maybe, and I'll take you guys with me too. I'll try to record as much as I can, just a little, show you guys what's going on, and maybe just like a little beach cruise on the new band. Yeah, all right, so we'll catch you guys in Newport Beach. Spot outside, perfect, and we're gonna get some food, maybe a drink. You want a drink?
My first margarita.
Yeah, I'll get a margarita too, I guess.
Thank you.
And what are we gonna get? The La Platas?
Is that what you want to get?
I think so. And then leftovers, we'll just take it home. So La Platas, it's like a big plate.
I thought it was La Tablita.
I'm probably saying it the wrong way, but can you explain what that is?
It's basically like a huge wooden board that comes with tortillas, chicken, beef, or shrimp. You choose two. And then guac, sour cream, all of that. It's like tacos.
Perfect. That's what we like. So you guys will see it once we get it. Story time. This is the restaurant where I took her out on the first date.
So 4 years ago.
4 years ago, so
2016.
2016. So what was your impression?
My first impression, you were a very confident gentleman, opening doors and being all mushy gushy, but like serious, down to business. I knew you were like not playing around.
Really? Hopefully you guys could hear that with the loud music in the background. But she said she fell in love with me right away. As soon as she laid her eyes on me, she was like,
before that date.
She was like, this is my man. Right? See,
okay, but don't act like like it's a one-way thing.
No, it was a both-way street. Trust me. It was big two-lane highway, and I was like, damn, that girl was by year. She's gonna be the mother of my children. And boom, 4 years later, there she is. So cheers to that. This is one of the moments we're gonna remember for a very, very long time and forever. So cheers to that. And we're about to get our food, so I'll let you know what we ordered. We'll order something very like bougie. We're going bougie. Go big or go home, like Wifey said. So we got a big old plate. And I wish I could share it with you guys, the whole experience, but if you're ever in Southern California and Newport Beach, check out Javier's in Newport Beach, Newport Coast. You gotta love it. So cheers. Cheers. So we got our plate. Oh my goodness, check it out. Wow, this is amazing. So delicious. Thank you, my friend.
Thank you.
Wow, look at this.
Oh my gosh.
What do you guys think? That looks pretty delicious. Well, you guys gonna have to excuse us because we're about to jump in and destroy this whole entire plate. Right, babe? Well, for the most part. Let's go.